So it's 1 a.m. and we're all alone and someone keeps ringing the doorbell. What the fuck? What the fuck? Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh my god. We're spending the night with my siblings alone in my new house. And we're pulling an all-nighter. We need to get snacks. Let's go. Let's go to 7-Eleven. You guys, it is pitch black. I can't. Did you guys see that? Wait, what is that?
What?
The light, the red light.
I didn't see anything.
Wait, guys, let's go back.
Can we just go back to the house, please, Gordon, and then I'll tell you around the house? Alright. Come back. What is going on? I didn't see anything.
It seems like no one else saw the light. I'm the only one who saw the light. I think it's just because it's like really late, so I'm imagining things. So we're gonna attempt to go back to 7-Eleven. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, it's so chilly. What's wrong?
It's scary. Totally, you're scaring me.
Oh my gosh. You have a tire pop.
Is that your highest speed? We're never gonna get
Oh my gosh.
Gordo, what is that? Gordo, turn your light on. Wait. What is that? Gordo, if you're messing around. Oh my. Wait. The sound stopped. Oh heck no, let's go. Let's go. I'm out. I'm so out.
Did that happen just now?
I think so. We have arrived to the gas station. Are you guys ready? Yeah. How much are you gonna get?
Oh, I'm gonna buy the entire store.
Yep.
Yep. Entire store.
Let's go. Bye bye. I'm looking for the chips, and I want a ton from them. Those look so good, but I think I want these more.
So far, I only have Reese's,
everything.
chocolate.
Bro, I'm getting all the chips they have.
Oh! She was not joking. I'm going to get everything.
Let me get some
No, I'm gonna get-
Nerds, Butterfinger. I've never tried any of these things. Anything. Get some turtles. Oh yeah. Some
You know what I'm gonna get? I'm gonna get Red Bull.
Red Bull. Okay, so we need to put this on my bike, but we have to figure out how to put it on the bike without it messing up the balance, so we can't quite put it on the handles. Where are we supposed to put it? We got too much stuff, guys. Are you eating it already? Okay, guys, we've gotten the stuff. Now it's time to head back to the house. Let's go!
I'm so excited to put this on.
Ready? I forgot my phone. Okay, guys. So, we've got this. Did you guys hear that? Wait, guys, wait. Let me go for it. Wait.
There's no one there.
There's no one there because the lights are off. Should we turn the light off? Turn it off. Do you think someone's out there though? I don't know.
But the light was
That doesn't make sense because the light wasn't on. So I'm checking the camera because the light was off, which meant that there was no one there. But the doorbell still went off, like what, 3 times? We've got this. But there's no one there. So I'm assuming it was the wind because it's showing me that there's no one there. So it was probably just the wind, you guys. I don't think there was anyone. gosh. It's so bubbly. Can I try?
I love that.
Can I see the chips, please?
Oh!
Oh! Again.
That's one. Watch it. Ready.
Hold up.
This is a hard.
Okay guys, I feel pretty dumb because I just remember that we ordered pizza. And so it's most likely the pizza man who is knocking on this door.
We have so many snacks that we don't need pizza.
We don't need pizza. What is that noise? What is that noise? That's the water dripping, bro. I had a heart attack. It's not the pizza man. Was that the ringer?
What is going on?
Bro, I keep hearing the doorbell. Someone keeps ringing the doorbell, but it shows that there's no one there, bro. Oh wait. Ooh. He's skedaddled. It was just a pizza guy. I guess the lights are being weird because it said that there was someone here, but there wasn't. Go. Let's eat.
I'm so excited. Amateur cherry Coca-Cola. I've never tried.
I've never seen a horse do that.
Oh, cherry Coca. Taste. Wait.
It's probably the pizza man. He probably forgot something.
Check that's also.
Oh no, I'll see.
No one there. I have a theory. I think it's Mom, Pa.
You think they're messing with us?
Bro, they wouldn't let us.
It's probably Mom messing with us. So we just finished our pizza and we're gonna go outside and check what's happening with the lights because it's like it's not working properly and the ringer keeps going off. So it's saying that there's someone there.
No, it works perfect.
See the light's working fine. So then why is it that the ringer keeps going off? What the fuck? Go. Bro, what was that? Gordo, what was that?
Get it.
Wait, lock it, I'm scared. This was not a good idea. I want to head home. I think we should all go home.
What do you mean? This was literally your idea.
Yes, I know, but it wasn't my best idea. I didn't think it through. I did not think there would be noises, but I really do think we should head home. What?
I think that was the wind because the automatic lights didn't turn on.
I mean, it could have been the wind, and that's the reason why the lights wouldn't turn on, but that doesn't explain the ringing. You think the wind is causing both?
Please, can we stay?
If we keep hearing noises, we have to go home.
Okay.
Alright.
Guys, we're supposed to pull an all-nighter. So let's go on the cannon in the back with the snacks.
It's too late and it's too dark.
We have flashlights.
Okay, but I'm gonna take my phone just in case. Come on, guys, wake up. Come on, Ranger. You wanna stay and sleep? Are you sure? Alright, we're gonna leave you. Okay. We're gonna go with that Ranger, guys.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I guess this was the perfect thing to do to hype these two up because they were falling asleep. But now we're hyped to finish our all-nighter. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's go!
How do you feel?
I feel good. Wow! Yeah! Wow!
am so tired.
We're definitely gonna see coyotes. They're always active at this time of night, especially the deer as well. I saw one earlier today. It was all alone.
Diesel is going crazy. I don't know what's up with him. I actually think I'm gonna go to sleep.
Whoa. The light just turned off. The rock lights turned off. This is so creepy. The rock lights turned off.
Pitch black. It's pitch black.
Look, the main headlights we have, they just turned off, so now it's really dark. Why does it do that?
Oh no, I'm done.
It's not working. It's not working. So the most important light we have on the Can-Am, so we can actually see where we're going, it's broken. It's not turning on. And it's pitch black, so I need the light because without it, I can't see 10 feet in front of me. But it won't turn on. I don't know what to do. Should I turn it off and turn it back on?
Yeah.
Okay.
You saw you're having a sugar rush.
Wait. Shh. Guys, do you want to head out? Because the light's not working. Okay.
This wasn't a good idea. This is not your fault, bro. It's this
Yeah,
fault.
so come on.
So let's go in the Can-Am in the back with the snacks.
Look up front. Oh my gosh, the other light turned off. Go to the hold it. There. Alright, let's go back.
Okay.
Okay, so we have decided that we're not turning back. We're actually gonna go and do the hill. If we're trying to attempt pulling an all-nighter, we can't just go back home without doing anything. We need to... I thought I heard something. We need to pull through. We need to get this done. We are not gonna back out. So we are doing this. I'm really scared to do the hill because there's a lot of animals hide up there. And it's because there's a trail up there. Like, what if there's like people? Guys, do you want to do the hill?
No, it's not.
I'm scared. I want to go. Oh my God, I'm scared. No, I don't want to go. I'm not going. Oh my God, I'm so scared. Guys, my sister thinks she saw something and I'm super scared, so I'm going back. Because she doesn't know if she saw something or not, and then I'm really freaked out. So I want to go home.
The whole point of coming out here was to go on the hill.
Yeah, I know, but what was Salash if you saw something? I'm not going on the... Oh my God! It's just Fall Guys, I call them.
Oh, these are pajamas.
Guys, I'm being serious. We saw something back there. Can you please go check?
Where?
In the backyard.
She saw it and I recorded it.
She recorded it. See
Yes,
this
but there
video.
Something there. I filmed it.
Okay, I'll go check. But for now, follow me. Lara, don't follow me.
What?
Stop.
Mom, can we just
This is serious.
I'm gonna go check what this fuss is about. So they are saying that they saw something. See? I don't hear anything, just like animals. Maybe they saw some type of animal or something. Coyote, maybe? Let's go check.
Was that the ringer? Check the cameras. Bro, what is happening? It's Bob. It's Bob. Oh my gosh. It's just my dad. Come on, let's go. Hurry. Bob, what did you find?
Nothing. There's nothing. Nope.
Nothing.
Nothing at all.
Bob, that makes no sense because we saw it.
There's nothing out there.
Bob, yes, there is. I literally recorded it. There was
checked
something
with
out
my
there.
flashlight.
Bob, I recorded it. I'll show it to you.
No, there's nothing.
So you found nothing?
Nothing at all.
So it's still out there then?
Just darkness.
It's still out there.
What's still out there? There's
Bob,
nothing out there.
yes, because I literally recorded it, Bob. You didn't see it?
No.
Then it's still out there. But I want to go home. I want to go home.